Welcome back everyone for my final daily report market video on Monday the 13th of May with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec. Looking at gold, which is basically still in this consolidation mode. There is a very slight positive bias in the market, given the fact that the market has actually picked up from 1266 a couple of weeks ago and been edging higher, but only slightly. It's not really a move with any real conviction, and it is putting pressure on the downtrend, but that again, that downtrend has pretty much been tested in each of the past 4 sessions without being breached. So you'd be looking at this and thinking, well, rallies are being seen as a chance to sell, and effectively it is still trading within a range. That RSI still not really managing any real traction at all, nor is the MACD lines or stochastics, and it looks like rallies are a chance to sell. It just depends on whether the market, as part of this consolidation, breaches that downtrend or not really. The downtrend comes in today, 1288. Again, it's likely to be broken, even though the fact that we've got a negative candle formation today, it still could easily, just purely by consolidation, breach that downtrend, but it doesn't necessarily mean the market is ready to engage in a significant recovery. I'd still be looking at selling into strength any rally between sort of 1290 and 1300. I think is probably ideal sell zone territory, certainly given the fact the RSI is 50, failed previously at 55 and 60, MACD lines again under neutral. So it all sort of adds up, I think, to a market that's ready for the next leg lower, but not quite made the move yet. Now 1278 is that pivot. It has been for the last week or so, couple of weeks, as part of this consolidation. And I'd sort of look at the hourly chart here and think, well, 60 is again now starting to form the basis of resistance, and the market's rolling over at that level. So it's not really finding any real positive traction in a recovery, and that would lead me to suggest I think it's going to be sooner rather than later we're going to see the market lower. But you may still see a bit of a pop to the upside, but I'd still be looking at another lower high to be formed, and then the market moving lower. So I wish you good luck in trading today on gold, and I will speak to you again next time.